Welcome to the tutorial for Rubber, found at rubber.ayin.app. What you need to do is navigate to the URL. First, connect your wallet using this button. This will connect you to the extension wallet, desktop wallet, or wallet connect. I recommend extension wallet. Click on the connect button, and that will get you connected to the site. From here, we will look at the Rubber guide. Protocol fees. 10% of the challenge's fee is burned. This makes Ayin deflationary. Therefore, if there's a second rub that is called a challenger, and 10% of that challenger's fees is burned, this makes Ayin deflationary. With each challenge, the stake rises, so every move counts. In the example above, the second rubber holder pays 1.25 AIN, and the third will pay 1.25 times 1.25, totaling 1.56 Ayin, and so on. The only person who ever loses money is the last person standing before the reset at 12 hours. This has been changed, by the way, from 24 to 12 hours. Every time someone rubs, this creates sudden death atmosphere where if the timer runs out, the price resets, and the current rubber holder will come out on top. From there, we can rub something. So I'm going to rub. Welcome to Ayin. I'm going to click on rub, and this is a new rub because there hasn't been one previously. The hours and minutes have reset, so this will be the first rub. I'm going to sign. You can check the transaction here, and when you hear the sound of rubber, a new rub has been posted. This is on the blockchain, and when someone else rubs over that, I will receive those rewards back plus my own. That being shown here. If successful, the new message take place, and you, as the previous rubber holder, receive 90% of the challenge's fee. And that is how the rubber works. Also, you will notice the sound on, sound off button and the dark and light modes. Here we can sort by date or sort by profit and loss. I hope that you enjoy this. Don't forget that this works as a deflationary mechanism as well. There is the fire button, and that is how many ions have been burned by the protocol. Thank you for watching.